भाई साहब, wow, way to break my thoughts, my chain of thoughts. Sorry. उसको चबाने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है. I'm trying to like speed up the process. Hi guys, what's up? I'm Maithili and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and welcome to another video. So you guys know that I am someone who loves to munch. Okay, I love snacks, I love munching. So in today's video I am gonna be trying out some new products, some new snacks that I found on Blinkit, and I'm so excited to try all of these because I am always on the lookout for like newer snacks. ठीक है, and Blinkit आजकल has made everything so convenient for us कि 10 मिनट में डिलीवरी हो जाती है, and it has got so many varieties to choose from. ठीक है, so I was just sitting one day and I realized कि Blinkit has so many good options in terms of snacks, and there are so many good brands who are actually focusing on creating better and healthier options in terms of snacks. So I was like, how can I miss this opportunity of trying out newer, better snacks from Blinkit? So that is what we're gonna do in today's video. So guys, this is what I have. These are all the snacks that we're gonna be trying in today's video. So let's quickly begin. Just a heads up, this video might make you hungry. So in case you want to grab a bite, please go do that and then continue watching. First snack that I'm going to be trying is this. This is the Cracks Choco Rings. Okay, it has some kind of toy inside also. Can we just appreciate the packaging? It's pink and purple and brown. Love the color palette. Love how it looks. Also, बचपन में मैंने cracks खाया है, इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं पर खाया है मैंने. So I'm excited. I think this will be similar to Chocos. Right? Wow. So this is the toy that I have gotten with this packet. It is a balloon basically. So this is what the Choco Rings look like. They're very tiny and very cute. It does smell like Chocos, I'm not gonna lie. Final verdict. Honestly speaking, इसका packaging अच्छा है, ठीक है, and Cracks has done a good attempt into like making this, but I did not like it. There are two reasons for it. Number one, आपका वो जो पफकॉर्न वाला जो टेक्सचर होता है वो है इसमें, which I do not like. ठीक है, and that is like sweet. ठीक है, वो पफकॉर्न वाला ही टेक्सचर, but it's like sweeter. So in a way, I particularly do not like this snack, and I'm not gonna like buy this ever again. एक बार ट्रायल करने के लिए ठीक है, शायद ये बच्चों को अच्छा लगे, बट आई वुड स्टिल नॉट सजेस्ट बिकॉज इट डज हैव palm oil in it, and palm oil is obviously not good for health. So this gets a thumbs down. I'm gonna rate it a 2 out of 5 because it really did not do much for me. The next thing that we have is this. So this is called Pepero. It is from Lotte. Lotte makes like really good choco pies. You might have had it. Obviously, वो लाल कलर की choco pie. But this is their biscuit stick. It's super crunchy, and this says number 1 in Korea. So I got very excited कि चलो ये क्या नया आया है. Let's try. As for the packaging, it's a good packaging. It retails for 70 rupees and 39 grams is the weight. It does have 200 calories in it in total. This is how you open it. This is the packaging. Pepero. I think there's something, they have written the brand name in Korean also. So I'm guessing this is not that famous. Oh, guys. This looks so cute. This looks like a fuljari, like literally it's like early Diwali. Can you guys see? It literally looks like a fuljari. मतलब ये एकदम इलेक्ट्रिक स्पार्कल वाली वाइब दे रहा है. Honestly, I loved it. I love the crunch. I love the texture. If you're someone who likes a crunchy texture, आपको ये अच्छा लगेगा definitely. And this tastes yummy. जो chocolate coating है along with crackle जैसा उसमें है, It tastes really nice. I definitely like it. Once in a while, if you feel like having sweet or if you want to have a chocolatey biscuit kind of a thing, you can have this. It's a really good snack and I really liked it. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. Alright guys, enough of all the unhealthy stuff and a lot of like chocolatey and sweet stuff. Let's get to something more masala wala, which is this. This literally has Shilpa Shetty's face on the product itself. I was actually very weirded out by this kind of a packaging because I agree that Shilpa Shetty is a very healthy celeb that we have, you know, and she talks and does a lot when it comes to health. But why did they have to put like such a big photo of Shilpa Shetty on the packet? I did not understand. Maybe for branding purposes, but it's really weird to be honest. मतलब मैंने इतना बड़ा फोटो कहीं पे देखा नहीं है कभी पैकेजिंग पे, but ठीक है. So this is from a brand called Lotus. It's their Makhana Pops, which is made from makhana flour, and this is hot and sweet chili flavor. This is like very similar to Lay's. ठीक है, and this is roasted, not fried. It has richness of olive oil and it has goodness of sprouts. So yeah, I am definitely excited to try. They have 4 more flavors in this. There is Indian barbecue, there is tomato twist, there is American cream and onion and masala munch. I'm not gonna lie, मैंने इनका masala munch try किया हुआ है and it tastes yum. If you're someone who's looking out for like healthier snacks, definitely give this one a try. I'm gonna try this flavor for now. This has around 200 calories. So for this particular flavor, I did not like it that much, probably because it has a very sweet aftertaste. But I would definitely recommend the masala munch flavor that I have tried and I give it a 5 on 5. For this, I'm gonna give this flavor a 3 out of 5. It's not really something that I would enjoy even if I'm looking to have makhana. So the next snack that I have is this. So this is the Gluten Smart gluten-free ragi millet cookie. It says it's enriched with elaichi. It's a source of protein, a source of fiber. This costs 99 rupees and this has around 119 calories per cookie. So I was basically looking for like millet based snack options and I found this on Blinkit and I was so excited that I was like, I have to try it. मेरे को ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है कि दिस विल बी सिमिलर टू रस्क जो होता है. सो वी हैव इंडिविजुअल कुकीज़ दैट देव पैक्ड. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये ना रस्क जैसा होगा, इफ़ यू नो वो चाय के साथ जो डिप डिप करके खाते हैं उस टाइप का. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी. So the texture definitely tells you that it's a millet based cookie because it's very uneven and crooked texture. If you're someone who likes coconut, you're gonna like this. मेरे को honestly इतना ज़्यादा नहीं पसंद है coconut हर चीज़ में, इसमें इतना नहीं है, but you can have that aftertaste of coconut. I think they've used coconut as the binding agent with ragi flour, but इसमें शक्कर का बिल्कुल कोई taste नहीं है, बहुत कम. It's like very less sugar and it tastes good. If you want to have like one cookie with a cup of coffee or black coffee, whatever, you can have this. It's a good alternative and it tastes good. I'm gonna give this a 4.5 out of 5. The next snack that we have is from one of my favorite brands. It's the brand called Too Yum. I genuinely enjoy their snacks a lot. मैं इतना ज़्यादा नहीं खाती हूँ, but मेरे को अच्छा लगता है. They have introduced a new line of snacks altogether. So this is their gourmet chips, okay, and this is the Thai green curry flavor that I'm gonna be trying. They have a lot of different flavors in this, but I picked up this one because this looked pretty enticing to me. इसमें they have different flavors, जिसमें they have truffle flavor, they have Himalayan pink salt, they have Korean banana masala, banana chips, बहुत सारे options है. This costed me 60 rupees. Blinkit पे सस्ता महंगा होता रहता है, देख लेना. And this is 50 grams of packet. This has 539 calorie per 100 gram. Okay. So around, this is a 50 gram packet, so you can say 250 grams जितना इसमें calorie है. ठीक है. Now this is made with rice bran oil, which contains natural antioxidants, ठीक है, and it's rich in oryzanol. Okay, this has 40% less saturated fat. I'm guessing that's because of the oil that they've used, and that's why they've given the name as gourmet. Wow, this smells really good. This looks pretty much like Lay's. This is a really good flavor, ठीक है. It's not sweet. It has a very nice tangy slash spicy flavor to it. I love the taste of these wafers, and I feel like this could be my new favorite snack. Although आप ये ज़्यादा नहीं खा सकते हो because it's not completely healthy. But once in a while, if you want to munch on this, you can. I am definitely giving this a 5 on 5, a solid product, a solid snack, definitely worth trying out once. And we come to the last two products of our video. These are from the same brand, and this is again one of my favorite brands when it comes to healthier eating options. This is Slurp Farm, the brand that was started by two mothers. I'm a big fan of this brand. Whatever they do, I have tried their pancakes, I've tried their ragi breakfast cereal, and it genuinely is a very good brand, of course. So I have two of their cookies. I think this is a new launch. So the first cookie we have banana oat. Now I'm gonna be very honest, I like banana but just as a fruit, ठीक है. मुझे और किसी भी चीज़ में बनाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. स्मूदी से लेके cookies तक, I hate everything that has banana in it. But I was like, let me try because I genuinely like this brand a lot. So firstly, I'm going to be trying this. This is what the packaging looks like. This has no maida, no palm oil. Definitely, it's a very, very healthy brand. And iski brand ambassador bhi Anushka Sharma hai. So this is what the inside packaging looks like. It comes in a nice packet form. Oh, wow. So obviously this is like made for like children, right? Kids. But come on, kids bhi healthy khana khana chahte hain aur adults bhi. So of course we can like steal a few things from their brand. So this is what the cookie looks like. It's so cute. It has a monkey on it. It's very enticing. And the best part jo meko laga is how thin the cookies are. Can you guys hear the crunch? Oh my god. They've done a fab job at making these cookies. I am in love with this product and I'm definitely going to buy more of these. Let me just check. So this costed me 99 rupees, and it's a good product, definitely much more healthier. It does have oats, jaggery, unrefined sugar, banana fruit powder, all the good stuff basically. So 4 cookies have combined 61 calories, which I don't think is a bad thing at all. I might just make it like a pre-workout snack because these taste yum. So yeah, you can definitely end up buying this. This brand always does a fab job, honestly speaking. I am a big time fan of this particular brand. It's so well thought, and because it's for kids, it's all the more healthier, and they put in a lot more effort to make sure that the kids actually like it. So this definitely gets a 5 on 5 from me. Love it. Definitely give it a try. In the same variant in cookies, we have another flavor. This is their Choco Ragi flavor. This again has no refined sugar, no palm oil, no maida. Very healthy. This is also 99 rupees. I don't know why the box looks a little bigger, but this is a perfect anytime snack. So this is one cookie. It has a crocodile face on it, which I don't appreciate, but okay, kids might. Let's try it again. This cookie is thinner than the previous one, so let's see. This is also good if you're someone who likes chocolate-based products and snacks. To be honest, if I had to pick between the two types of cookies, I would prefer the banana oat. I feel like this is a lot more difficult to chew in comparison to the banana oat ones. Banana oat cookies were like really smooth, ठीक है? It was literally like melt in the mouth. ये वाली थोड़ी सी hard है and the chewing takes a lot more time, which I don't particularly like. I'll give the Choco Ragi cookies a 4 out of 5, especially because of the crunch factor. So yes guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I definitely had a blast trying out so many different snacks, and if I had to rate like a best and worst find from today's video, I would say that the best find was the Slurp Farm cookies. Absolutely loved them, as well as the Thai green curry gourmet chips from 2Yum. Both of them are my favorites. And if I had to rate something which I did not like that much, it's very clear, was the Cracks Choco Ring. I don't even know why did I buy it, because I feel like, okay, it was just like the beautiful packaging that may have encouraged me to buy it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before leaving. And if you have tried some good snacks and you want me to try them, please put them down in the comments below. I'll definitely try and make a part 2 of this particular video if you guys genuinely enjoyed watching it, because I am a serial muncher. I love munching on different snacks, and it's really a bad habit that I'm trying to improve, but थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. जब तक टाइम लगता है तब तक मैं वीडियो बना दूंगी दूसरा भी. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself and miss me. Bye.